5 Amazing Ways to Make Money Online as a Musician. I've been earning a full-time income online for nearly 2 years now, and I'll admit it hasn't always been a walk in the park. But, if you combine your online income plus your merch sales and live shows, you'll be a comfortably living musician in no time. Here are 5 ways that you can start earning an income as an online musician that you can set up in as little as one day. 1. Patreon. Patreon is one of the most amazing platforms I've come across, because it's like every musician's dream. It provides a way to rake in a steady stream of monthly revenue on the basis of sharing your art and giving rewards. They've built the site to provide a sense of community and fill that gap between artist and fan. It's beautiful, and I can't rave about it enough. 2. Online e-concerts. Yet another way to generate income as a musician without having to leave the confines of your cozy artist space. I use a platform called Concert Window, and there are a couple others to choose from like Stageit and Gigee. There are some different tools available for use in all the platforms, but something to keep in mind that I've found effective with Concert Window and Stageit is having the option to collect tips and give rewards to your best tippers. It's a wonderful incentive and a great way to really connect with your audience in a concert-type setting, without having to leave the cozy confines of your living room. 3. Private Skype shows. Similar to online e-concerts, but these are privately held events. This is something that you could set up on your online store as a gift option. A fan could buy the gift of a private 1-hour Skype show for his girlfriend on Valentine's Day. Then, you serenade the two of them and give them a very special and unique experience that they wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. 4. Tip jar on website. Honestly, it's all in the ask. Be vulnerable with your community. Tell them your struggles. A lot of times, fans actually do want to support you monetarily, but they don't know how, or there isn't a means to do so. By providing a tip jar page on your website, people can freely take a look, and if you've truly given them something of value, something that has touched their hearts deeply, they will give, and often they will be generous. Try it out by setting up a paypal.me address and adding it to a new page on your site. 5. Write custom songs for fans. Custom songwriting has been this newfound glory because it's a win-win situation. You get to earn money, while writing a song, which you have to do anyways, while giving a gift to someone who appreciates it more than you know. It's an amazing feeling and has really transformed my views on songwriting, and what it means to be an artist. We are here to make a difference with our art, after all. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!